guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to show you how you can possibly turn your Facebook profile into professional mode so that you can earn money. For me, I have two Facebook accounts which I have already done this exercise, and I'm going to show you the one which I have not yet done so that you can follow along. And I'm going to show you the other one which I have already done. So what you're supposed to do is for you to let me click on that profile. As you can see, I have 4.9 friends. These are Facebook friends that follow me, and I also follow them, something like that. So I can now you can turn this Facebook friends into followers immediately into a professional mode, and then you start earning money from your Facebook. When people are busy posting pictures on their Facebook profiles, for you, you'll be busy posting content which can earn you money. So what you're supposed to do is you are supposed to come here to click on the three dots here, and then you'll click on turn on professional mode. You click there, turn on professional mode. They have said turn on professional mode, add new tools to your profile so you can grow as creator on Facebook, get paid for your content if you are eligible, unlock monetization tools to earn money by creating new content, like that. So what you're supposed to do is for you to click turn on, like that. So once you click turn on and then you go back, this page has already been turned on into a professional mode. Now the people who are my friends are now my followers. As you can see here, I have now 5.2 followers already. So this is how you can turn your Facebook profile into a professional mode so that you can start earning money. So immediately you have turned like this, you will see they have given you something like dashboard. You just click on that dashboard, you will see what you are supposed to do. You keep posting content from time to time so that you can reach many people, as many as possible. So this is the example that I have shown you. But there's another one which I have already done it already, which I have completed some of the 3 steps, the 3 levels that are required for you to complete so that you can now start earning money from Facebook. I'm going to show you the other one which I have already completed some of the steps, and I'm waiting to see if they can activate it on the monetization stage. So I just want you to watch this video to the end so that you can discover more. Now I want to show you the one which I have already done and completed all the steps. So this is the one that I have completed all the steps. You can see this one. So when I come here to dashboard, you can see I actually post regularly. This one has 5.7 followers, and I post regularly. That's why these engagements have shown like this. The content is, the place is active all the time. And here they have said monetization, and you can see they have shown monetization. The tools which are active here, like monetization, like achievements. So before you come here to this monetization, you are supposed to have completed some of the achievements here. Like, let me click on the achievements here that I have done in this page. You are supposed to go to level 1, level 2, up to level 3. You are supposed to have explored some of this one, the reels, and so on. So once you have done with these achievements, that is when they will activate what we call monetization here. So for this page is on the last stage. It is on the final stage for monetization. As you can see, I have completed the first step. The first step says your journey to success starts here. Introduce yourself to your audience and finish setting up your profile. I have already done that one. The second level is get ready to your ready to take your profile to the next level, creating more reels using advanced tools. So here they have given you can explore advanced tools, you can explore Reels tools, you can reach 50 new plays on your Reels, you can create new public posts like that. And once you are done, you come here to level 3, where you will be required to grow up to 1,000 followers. But you already have, like me, I have already reached 5,000 followers, which means that one I have already passed. And when it comes to 500 new plays on Reels, it means that those are like views of short videos, which they call Reels. So I have already created those short videos, and I'm done with that. And the last stage was to grow 10 new followers on Facebook, so that the process can be complete. As you can see here, I'm waiting for them to activate the next chapter for me to continue with this monetization process. So this particular Facebook profile is at the last stage for its monetization, and now I'm waiting what is going to unveil after this weekly challenge, which is already over. So I'll still update you on this monetization, how you can monetize the content and many others, and you can still now begin to earn money from whatever you post on Facebook, like posting those short videos, posting the longer videos, and so on. So as you can see here, when I click on monetization, they have said not yet eligible, because they have not given me the way forward, because I have already completed the other steps. So I'm still waiting for them so that they can activate this one and I continue with the process. So guys, this is what I just wanted to share with you, how Facebook has advanced of late and what is giving people opportunity to earn money from their content. So if you found this video productive and I want to support this channel, please remember to like this video. Remember to subscribe to my channel, so that when I post a video like this, you will be able to be notified. See you in the next video.